Hello everybody, I'm Ellen with Ellen Ruth Soap, and I am brand new to YouTube. I am not new to soap making. I've been making soap for over a decade. I'm a retired homeschool mom, and I started making soap as a science project with my kids. They thought it was cool. I fell in love with it and have been making soap ever since. So I just wanted to bring you along on my soap making journey as I continue to make bars and all the fun and beauty, creativity, and sometimes mistakes that come along with it. So I hope you join me and enjoy the soap making process. Alright, so behind me is my soap studio where all the magic happens, and my husband set this up for me. I'm so thankful. He is a retired Marine Corps F-18 pilot, and so our over 30 years of marriage, we've traveled all around the United States, and he's been overseas, and we settled here in Middle Tennessee. And this is our golden years. My children are grown and my grandbabies are being born, and which is awesome and wonderful. We have a small 8-acre organic farm where we raise a small herd of pastured goats, and we milk them, and every once in a while we'll raise an organic steer out there for the freezer. So yeah, that's what we're here doing, and so welcome to my channel.